Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima and today is the 13th of March 2025. I'm unboxing my iPad Air M3 2025 one day after releasing in Norway. This is just a 20-watt power adapter. I I'm not sure. I just order it because I assumed I need it. And I ordered also an Apple Pencil. In this case, it's a Pro Pencil or Apple Pencil Pro. Um, it was very shocking for me to receive all of this order in one day. I ordered them yesterday, 12th of March, and after 24 hours, I received them. Um, it's a very nice package for Pencil Pro. It's I feel like I have a very good pen package or pen box including a pen or maybe a watch. And this is the main one, um, iPad Air. I think I need to explain that this iPad Air, which is M3, um, an upgrade from M2, it's a 13-inch model. It's in space gray color, and the storage is 256 gigabyte. Comparing to my last iPad, it's a very thin box, and of course a little bit bigger because it's 13-inch. And this is the normal or standard packaging by Apple. I always have a problem. I just turn it upside down to get to my iPad or whatever I order. It's very cold. Um, I believe at the moment it is -8 in Norway, and it was in the car for I don't know how long. So this is the adapter. I just ordered it in case because Apple changing from Lighting to USB-C, and I was not sure my old one was good enough or suitable for this new iPad. And actually, I like this. You see, it's better material on the wires or cable. Let me show you what I mean. This is the charger or cable for my um, iPhone. It's plasticky. You think it's easy to get damaged, and actually, um, I have a history with damaged cable belongs to Apple products. And paperworks, how to work with new iPad with no home button in English. The second one is in Danish, and the third catalog is in Norwegian language, which is the one I need beside the English. And it's the same for the safety papers. This is in Danish. And the next one is this one is in Norwegian language. So I'm going to read them after that. And last but not least is the Apple Pencil Pro. Very nice package, very nice box. Simple, but beautiful. And I like how I unbox everything in this video. Very easy, don't need any knife. And I usually damage all the boxes, so I'm happy. It's very in a gentle um, and classy unboxing. And here's the pen, a little bit bigger comparing to real pen. Um, and in this, I don't know, this is the paperwork again, how to use Apple Pencil Pro, and safety papers, which I'm going to read later. So I put everything back, and we're going to take covers off. I guess the second part of this video just have a ASMR function, nothing more. But I must say I enjoy it. Here's the pen. I mentioned it before. I like it. I don't think I'm going to use it a lot, but I just like to have it. And here's the iPad Air M3. You just need to take this here and just draw it. So here it is, 13-inch model. Right now it's untouched, but soon my fingerprints are going to be all over it. On the downside you see the charger and speakers. Here is the place that you have to put your Apple Pencil, the camera and the volume buttons up and down, and speakers on the top. And this is home button. So this is it. I like it already. Thanks for watching this video. This is the pen. I need to thank you because you support this channel. During this time I was not publish any new video, and we are now 525 subscribers. Please subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, and share this video with your friends. Till next time, bye bye.